Let's have this question on hydrocarbons. Consider the reaction represented by the following equation. This is the equation of the reaction. You are looking for the products X and Y from this equation. Then what type of hydrocarbon is this? This is an alkyne. This is an alkyne. Alkyne has triple bond in its structure. This is the functional group of alkyne. So triple bond is the functional group of alkyne. So the I means what? Triple bond. So when hydrogen is added to alkyne member, so we call that chemical reaction hydrogenation reaction. So this reaction is called what? Hydrogenation reaction. So let's see how we are going to form products X and Y. Let's see how we are going to form X and Y. So the first stage of the reaction, we are going to add 2 hydrogen atoms. It is an addition reaction, so we add 2 hydrogen atoms. So for these 2 hydrogen atoms to come into this structure, so we are going to open one of the triple bond from this triple bond. We are going to remove one of the triple bond. So now, so we have triple bond here. We have triple bond. So for these 2 hydrogen to come into this structure, so you open one. You open one of the triple bond. So the bond is in between the 2 carbon atoms. So by the time you remove one bond, so you are going to attach it to the 2 carbon atoms. You attach that bond to the 2 carbon atoms. So we have 2 hydrogen atoms that want to come in. So one hydrogen atom we attach to the first bond. Then the second hydrogen atom we attach to the second bond. So this is the first stage of the reaction. That is X. So what is the name of this product form? We have double bond in this structure. So the double bond is the functional group of alkene. The double bond is the functional group of alkene. Alkene. So this is the second member of alkene because we have 2 carbon atoms. So we call it ethene. Ethene. So the first stage of the reaction is ethene. So let's move to the second stage. The second stage of the reaction. So you are going to add another hydrogen atoms. You add 2 hydrogen atoms to this structure. Now for these 2 hydrogen atoms to come into this structure, you have to open one of the double bond again. You open one of these double bond. Now we have so let's open one of these double bond. So by the time you remove it, the bond is in between the 2 carbon atoms. So you have to attach to the 2 carbon atoms. So these 2 hydrogen atoms, that is this hydrogen atom we come in. So the first hydrogen we attach to the first bond. The second hydrogen we attach to the second bond. So this is the final product, which is Y. So what is the name of this structure? We have a single bond in between what? The 2 carbon atoms. So when you have a single bond, you call it what? An alkane. This is the structure of an alkane. So we have 2 carbon atoms. That will be the second member of alkane. Then the second member of alkane is known as ethane. The second member of alkane is known as ethane. So it shows that our X, that is the first product, is ethene. Ethene. Then Y equals what? Ethane. So our product will be ethene and ethane. Ethene and ethane. So the correct option is what? Is B.